Hello students, today we are going to see a new chapter, that is role of ICT. Everyone know the meaning of ICT, Information Communication Technology. Right, we have seen IT, now we are going to see ICT, how it is very much helpful and the meaning of it. Let us start. So information and communication technology, it refers to all the devices, networking components, applications and system that allow people and organization to interact with digital world. So you must have seen that many of the people, बहुत सारे devices है आजकल जो use में आते हैं. We have seen that many of the devices, right, which are very much helpful in the digital world to live. Right, हम लोग बहुत सारे applications use कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारे नेटवर्किंग कंपोनेंट्स हैं लाइक वाईफाई, देन वायरलेस फिडिलिटी, then we can see WiMAX and many more. UNESCO has defined ICT as a form of technology that are used to transmit, process, store, to create, display, share or exchange information by electronic means. तो आप ICT को यूज कैसे, वो टेक्नोलॉजी, द टेक्नोलॉजी हाउ यू विल यूज इट टू ट्रांसमिट, यानी ट्रांसफर करना है डेटा आपको, तो आप ट्रांसफर करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. टू डू द प्रोसेसिंग, स्टोर करने के लिए आप स्टोर करते हो, many of the things we have to store, so we store it in the Google cloud. Okay, so cloud computing is also very helpful to create. हमें create करना है कुछ भी, then we can create any of the program, you can display that thing, you can also share, like we have seen that now many of the people they share their presentation वीडियो शेयर करते हैं और बहुत सारे चीज़ें इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीन्स से. नाउ टूल्स ऑफ आईसीटी, विच आर द टूल्स, राइट, देर आर मैनी टूल्स, बहुत सारे टूल्स यूज होते हैं आईसीटी में. लाइक अभी हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं कि हाँ पीपीटी यूज कर रहे हैं, देन वी शो द वीडियोज, वी डू द प्रेजेंटेशन इंटरैक्टिव वे में, फिर बाद में हम मैनेज करते हैं, फाइल्स करते हैं, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस वी डू इट. So traditionally we use radio and televisions. We know that radio and televisions were the only medium at first, right? पहले ऐसा था कि हाँ भाई हम लोग रेडियो और टेलीविजन से ही हमें नॉलेज मिलता था. वी कैन कम टू नो अबाउट द लाइफ गोइंग ऑन अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, यानी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है वर्ल्ड में, वो हमें पता चलती थी रेडियो और टेलीविजन से. बट नाउ वी आर हैविंग मेनी ऑफ द थिंग्स लाइक मोबाइल फोन, कंप्यूटर, नेटवर्क सैटेलाइट्स and so on. So by mobile we can get connected to the world with the computers, internet, okay, and networks. It also consists of teleconferencing, video conferencing, social networking and many more. Like we know that now the period is going off COVID-19, तो उस वक्त हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, we are doing video conferencing and we having online teaching, right? तो वो भी एक जरिया है हमें पढ़ने के लिए, पढ़ाने के लिए, and we can also get knowledge from the world. राइट, देयर आर गोइंग ऑन मैनी ऑफ द सेमिनार्स, वेबिनार्स ओवर देयर, तो वेबिनार भी होते हैं, तो वो भी हम लोग एक्सेस कर पाते हैं थ्रू अवर मोबाइल फोन्स. सो दिस इज अ टूल. नाउ वी विल सी सम ऑफ द टूल्स, राइट, लाइक फॉर क्रिएशन मीन्स personal computer, digital camera, scanner and smartphone are the tools for the creation. Like personal computer, in that we can do the programming, digital camera, photos, and scanner to do the photocopies, means we want to get the soft copy of it, हमें सॉफ्ट कॉपी मिल सकता है. स्मार्टफोन, येस एवरीवन नो स्मार्टफोन इज वेरी मच यूजफुल डिवाइस. लाइक वी डू द वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, टेलीकॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, हम बहुत सारी एप्लीकेशंस डाउनलोड करते हैं फॉर द एजुकेशन. प्रोसेसिंग, कैलकुलेटर, पीसी एंड स्मार्टफोन. अगेन स्मार्टफोन एवरीवन नो, वो बहुत सारे प्रोसेस करता है हमारे लिए, हमें कितनी हेल्प करता है. लाइक वी मेक अ वीडियो, we make presentations, we make word files and many more. Calculator किसके लिए, for calculations. Storage, we can store everything in CDs, DVDs, hard disk, pen drive, microchip and cloud. Now the latest is cloud. Everyone know that Google Drive, OneDrive, वो सारी चीज़ें क्या है, वो क्लाउड है, राइट. क्लाउड पे आप स्टोर कर रख सकते हो. सो वेन एवर यू take a mobile phone with you, so you can just take it from that Google Drive or maybe OneDrive. आपको ज़रूरी नहीं है कि पेन ड्राइव यूज़ करो, पेन ड्राइव लेकर जाओ, ओके, बट फॉर द सेफ्टी साइड यस वी कीप इट इन द पेन ड्राइव ऑल्सो अवर सॉफ्ट कॉपीज. डिस्प्ले मीन्स वेयर यू विल सी द आउटपुट, आपका आउटपुट कहाँ मिलेगा, तो मॉनिटर, टीवी, प्रोजेक्टर, स्मार्टफोन्स, डिजिटल कैमराज एंड वेब कैमरा. मॉनिटर एवरीवन नो, वी हैव सीन इन द लैब ऑल्सो. TV, yes, now our TVs have turned to a smart TV in which we can access, right, many of the things. We can also learn many of the things. It may turn to a smart technology TV. Projectors, yes, projectors to see the output on the big projectors. We cannot see it in the small screen. The projectors are very helpful. Even you know that the smart boards we are having, white boards, तो वो हमारे interactive boards में भी projectors होते हैं, right? Smartphone, digital camera, web camera for the video conference, everyone know. Transmission, internet, teleconference, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस, मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी, वाईफाई, ब्लूटूथ, रेडियो, ये सारे बहुत सारे वेज हैं जिससे हम ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं फाइल्स को, डेटा को, एंड वीडियोस, ऑडियो एंड मैनी मोर थिंग्स. एक्सचेंज, what we can exchange, how we can exchange email, in that messages we can send the message, हम मैसेज सेंड कर सकते हैं, रिसीव कर सकते हैं. मोबाइल फ़ोन, in that also we can do, we can create our own blog and also we can post on that, right? RSS feeds, यूट्यूब पे आप बहुत सारे वीडियोस देख सकते हो. यू कैन सी द वीडियोस, ऑनलाइन फॉरम्स एंड सोशल मीडिया. नाउ रोल एंड इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ आईसीटी. आईसीटी इन पर्सनल लाइफ, आपके पर्सनल लाइफ में आपको कैसे वो हेल्पफुल हो सकता है, हाउ इट विल बी हेल्पफुल. सो लेट अस सी, लेट हैव some tips of that. We can search information on various topics such as education, health and nutrition. आप देख सकते हो कि education में वो बहुत helpful है. Right now we are doing online teaching, online learning, that is being done how, with the help of technology. तो वो technology कहाँ useful हो रही है, we are using in our education. Health and nutrition, yes, health and nutrition means how to maintain our health. We see that many of the different apps are coming, जिससे हम लोग कैसे न्यूट्रिशन फूड खा सकते हैं, विच विल बी हेल्पफुल टू सर्वाइव और मे बी बूस्ट अवर इम्यूनिटी, हमारे इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट करने के लिए. करंट अफेयर्स, यू विल कम टू नो दैट व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. सोशल एस्पेक्ट, फाइनेंस, हाँ फाइनेंस में भी हेल्प कर सकता है, लाइक ट्रांजेक्शन्स वी कैन डू and many other important issues. E-banking, e-banking is a method in which a customer conducts transaction through internet. Everyone know that e-banking we do it, right? Online banking. एक वक्त था जब हमारे पास कोई चीज़ नहीं थी, we have to go to the bank and we have to do the work, but now it is time saving. okay, हमारा time save करता है और वो हम लोगों के लिए बहुत helpful है. why? because we all are doing jobs and we don't have much time. so online banking is very much helpful and it is means we can do many sort of work. E-commerce refers to the activity of buying or selling of products. everyone know e-commerce, Flipkart, right, Amazon, ये सब पे आप लोग करते ही हो. और उससे फ़ायदा क्या होता है, what is the positive part of it, that we have to not to go in different shops and we have to do the selection, and our time also, yes, our time is saved, and also money. Many of the time we get it very good deals, right? And also the positive part, another positive part, it comes to your doorstep. You have to not to go anywhere. Next, it helps us to be in touch with our family. yes, now only we can give the example again and again. I am giving that, but it suits to this, that COVID-19 is going on. so at that time everyone know that video calling करना, phone करना, Facebook पे chat करना, WhatsApp पे chat करना, we can do it, right? so that is very much helpful with family and friends, and even with your colleagues you can be in touch with them. It enhances the quality of education by variety of learning tools. We have many of the learning tools. If we go around to the mobile phone, in that we see the applications. There are many applications over there which can help the educators, even the students and the parents. Like you can take the example YouTube. In YouTube you will, when you will search for any of the things, you will get it the answer for that in the form of videos, and it is very helpful. अगर आपको किसी का डेमो देखना है कि हाँ भाई ये कैसे application use करना है, then we can see it. Even you can get the books, e-books over there, that is Kindle books. G Suite is very much helpful. Google Classroom, you can take the example. You can take the example of Google Meet, Hangout, and many more applications which are there in G Suite. It enables us to be fit with different apps. हमारे पास हमें फिट रहने के लिए, हेल्दी रहने के लिए भी बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस अवेलेबल है. लाइक यू कैन कैलकुलेट दैट हाउ मच यू हैव, मीन्स द काउंटिंग ऑफ योर स्टेप्स, राइट? हम स्टेप्स काउंट करते हैं. देन वी कैन सी दैट कैलोरीज, दैट ऑल्सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ द फिटबिट गैजेट्स. You know it that we get MI band, then Fitbit band. वो सारे यूजफुल है. क्यों यूजफुल है? Because we can come to know about our BP, heartbeats, heartbeat rate, right? So it is about the technology. Now next, it also provide leisure activity like playing games, watching movies. Everyone like to play games, right? Like PUBG game, मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है रात को वो बहुत अच्छे से खेलते हैं because the net facility is very good and that time they have an online gaming. There are many other also, I don't know about it, COC and that all. So that is also an online games, right? Netflix, Amazon, अभी अभी एक फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी that was being released on the Amazon Prime, and many of the people have seen and they have given their reviews on that. Okay, because nobody can go to the malls and the malls were not open, so what was there? This only. So that is also used for the live streaming. You can see in the TV live streaming is also done. आप YouTube पे भी आप देख सकते हो कितनी बार लाइव होता है, कितने जो ओकेजन्स होते हैं, कितने फंक्शंस होते हैं जो हम नहीं देख पाते हैं. सो वी कैन सी इट लाइव फ्रॉम सिटिंग एट आवर होम, राइट? वी कैन ऑल्सो डू फोटोग्राफी, वीडियोग्राफी. आपको यानी नॉलेज आएगा कैसे वीडियो एडिटिंग करना, ये सब भी आपको सिखाया जाता है. वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम देयर. Also we can search many of the things related to music, drama, dance. We know that now there is going on an application in which we can learn to play guitar, piano, violin and many more things. It also helps in disaster management. Disaster management everyone know कि disaster यानी कोई भी टाइप का disaster हो, earthquake हो, flood हो. Like we have seen that many of the times in Orissa and there we see the floods, right? कोलकाता में अभी आपने देखा West Bengal they have faced storm in which there was flood, right? And many of the people have faced many problems. I know it. In that there was a loss of money and loss of property, right? So we, if we want to control that thing, यानी वो control करने के लिए, वो risk को कम करने के लिए हम लोग ने क्या किया? First of all, we have given a warning, right? It was a warning for us that was being given by the technology कि आप लोग सब लोग move हो जाओ. You have to move from that places, so at least you can you are having less risk, less risk. Okay. It helps to know about our human rights. Yes, whatever the rights are there, हमारे क्या rights है, क्या करना चाहिए, what we have to do, what we have to not to do, also our duties towards our country. Okay. Next, it helps us to pay our bills, pay water tax. You know it very well कि हम लोग कितनी बार बिल पे करते हैं तो हम लोग को लाइन में, लंबी लाइन में, कतार में खड़ा रहना पड़ता है. We have to stand in the queue. So that also is saving now time by the internet facility and government schemes in which you can pay the income tax. You can go for the land bills, land tax, water tax. Okay, you can pay it online. Next, it also helps in different ways for the personal use like Google Assistant. Google Assistant आपको बहुत यूजफुल होता है. जैसे आप कुछ भी आप पूछना चाहो तो वो Google बताता है. I have seen that once I said that I'm feeling bored. You please say me a joke. तो वो joke बोलता है हमें. So that is also an entertainment and everything. I want to listen to the song. I can listen to the song. And cloud computing. Yes, very much important is cloud computing. ICT at the workplace. It helps in business communication. अब तक आपने देखा है कि how it is helpful in our personal life. Now we will see at the workplace through email, video conference and mobiles in marketing of the products. आप देखते होंगे मोबाइल से कितने लोग आपको मैसेज करते हैं. They are saying that you buy this product. Even Flipkart, Amazon, whenever they are having the sale, they will inform you before that कि हाँ there is 50% discount, 20% discount, or there is a 10% discount on the SBI card or maybe any of the debit or credit cards. It helps in manufacturing of products with the use of robots. Robots means it is not like that कि हाँ वो robot बड़ा सा खड़ा हो जाए, वैसा नहीं है. It robots means the machines which makes it our work less. We have to not to work a lot for that. Okay, like at power plants, रिसर्च में भी बहुत सारे हमारे टेक्नोलॉजी है जो हमें बहुत यूजफुल है. वी कैन सी इट. in mining industry they use it, the machines, big machines, instead of going by the manpower की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, and it will be done in a less time. It helps farmers, to make informed and quality decisions, and it also helps to know about weather, soil and seed analysis. यानी आपको पता चलेगा वेदर के बारे में, whether it is good or not, and then what to do, like which seed is very much helpful. seed analysis भी करने के लिए कि seed अच्छा है या नहीं, soil अच्छा है या नहीं, how we can make it of a better soil, techniques we can know, and also we can get the price, good price on our cultivation. It also helps in military and defense by building smart weapons and advanced equipments. आप आजकल जानते ही हो कि अभी हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारे problems आ रहे हैं, like we are facing the problem with different countries, right? So at that time for the defense, yes, we needed good equipments, and that good equipments, the good technology we needed. So that is being done with the help of ICT. Pharmaceutical sectors, we know that now the research is going on for the medicines, right, vaccines to treat the patient of COVID-19. So that is also a part of it. So we can use the technology at that time. It also helps in scientific research. Everyone know that Mission Mangal is one of the movie which we have seen, in which the research people, what they have done, right? So we, even the real time record of the observation, whatever you are doing, whatever experiments we are doing, that we can observe it, we can do the analysis. Okay, so you must have seen this all pictures, you can understand by that. Okay, it also helps in training and education, like conducting classes, video lectures, expert lectures and other tools. As I told you that we can have a video conference, we can have webinars now, we can get webinar, and then by that we can understand that what we can do for the education, the improvement in the education. Even for the students, they have different apps by which we can learn. It also helps in financial services like banking, insurance and mutual funds. Yes, you have to not to go to any of the people, you can come to know about it by the websites. आपको बहुत सारी वेबसाइट मिल जाती है जिसके ऊपर आपको, जैसे पॉलिसी बाजार में आपको दिखता होगा कि हाँ कौन सी पॉलिसी कौन से प्राइस पे अवेलेबल है और कौन सी कंपनी अच्छा हमें प्राइस दे रहा है. क्वालिटी एंड क्वांटिटी मैटर्स, we know, right? So because our money is very important at that time. हाँ, in government services also, like you can get license के लिए, tax pay करने के लिए, you know that different apps are also available. Bheem app, everyone know, to transfer the money and also to receive the money, even to pay the bills. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, in that whenever, you must have seen that we click the photo and after that we send it to the government people. At that time they will come to know about it कि हाँ भाई ये जगह को clean करना है. We must have seen that thing. Umang app, Umang, yes, it is helpful to the students because they can get their digital locker over there. MyGov, government website. It also provides numerous facilities in the field of sports, like training of athletes, updating scoreboards. You must have seen that in cricket or maybe badminton, table tennis, आप खेलते हो तो players का जो score होता है, that has been displayed on the scoreboard. That is available with the technology. Without the technology, if you are doing, then it will be somewhat more time consuming over there. Even you can book the tickets, right? When you want to go for the cricket or like that, you want to go for that, you want to book the tickets for seeing that cricket at that time to the stadium, then you have to book the tickets, like we are booking for the air flights and train tickets. Next, also I can give the example of Khel Mahakumbh. So everybody have understand. Hope you all